Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Time YT. I am Lily. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your hobbies and interests in English. By the end of this lesson, you will have real sentences that you can use in your own daily conversations with anyone. And if you want more lessons like this every single week, hit that subscribe button right now. It means the world to us. Okay, let's go.
So, Lily, what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, that is such a good question, Alex. I have quite a few hobbies, actually, but my absolute favorite is reading.
Oh, really? You love reading?
I do. I absolutely love it. I read every single evening before I go to bed.
Every single evening. That is so impressive.
I know. It has just become such a natural part of my routine now.
Perfect.
So, our audience, did you hear that? Let me say those sentences again, so after that, you can replace them for your hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading. I read every single evening before I go to bed. Now you say it. Replace reading with your hobby. My favorite hobby is I do it every...
That's perfect for the audience. You can tell your hobby and the time you like to do it. So, Lily, how long have you been reading?
Oh, for as long as I can remember, actually. I have been reading since I was about 10 years old.
Since you were 10. Wow, that is a really long time.
It really is. My mom used to read storybooks for me every night when I was little. And then I started reading as well. I think that is where the love of reading came from.
Oh, that is such a beautiful story, Lily.
Thank you. Reading has always been a huge part of my life. So, everybody, now listen my sentences first, and then slowly repeat them according to your hobby. I have been reading since I was about 10 years old. Reading has always been a huge part of my life. Now, say it with your hobby. I have been doing this since I was... It has always been a huge part of my life. It has always been a huge part of my life.
Perfect, everybody. Now you already know 4 sentences to describe your hobby. So, Lily, why do you love reading so much? What is it about reading that makes you so happy?
That is a really good question, actually. I think I love reading because it completely takes away all the worries from me.
Oh, I love that.
When I open a book, everything else just disappears. Work stress, daily worries, everything. Just gone.
Oh, wow. I can completely understand that feeling.
And it helps me relax so deeply after a long day. Did you hear those beautiful sentences? Let me say them again for you. I love reading because it completely takes away all the worries from me. It helps me relax so deeply after a long day. Now say it with your hobby. I love it because it completely takes away all the worries from me. It helps me feel relaxed so deeply after a long day.
Congrats, everyone! Now you know 6 sentences to describe your hobby. So, apart from reading, Lily, do you have any other hobbies?
Oh yes, apart from reading, I also really enjoy cooking.
Oh, cooking. Really?
Yes, I love it. I cook at home almost every single day.
Every day? You cook every day?
Almost every day, yes. I especially love cooking on weekends, when I have more time and I can really take my time with it.
Oh, that sounds so lovely. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I love trying new recipes. I like to experiment in the kitchen and try different dishes. Italian food is probably my favorite to cook.
Oh, I love Italian food. Does it always turn out well?
Not always. Sometimes it is amazing, and sometimes it is a complete disaster.
Oh, no.
And honestly, the best part of cooking is sitting down and eating what you made. There is nothing better than that feeling.
Oh, absolutely. I completely agree with that.
So many good sentences just now. Let me repeat the most important ones for you. Apart from reading, I also really enjoy cooking. The best part is sitting down and eating what you made. Now say your version. Apart from, I also really enjoy. Apart from, I also really enjoy. The best part is. The best part is. Okay, Alex, enough about me. What about you? What do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, well, my favorite hobby is playing music.
Oh, really? Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar. I have been playing for about 3 years now.
3 years. Oh, wow. Are you good?
I would say I am okay, still learning, but I really enjoy it.
Oh, I love that. What made you start playing guitar?
I always loved music, but I never played anything. And then one day, I just decided to try, and I completely fell in love with it.
Oh, that is such a lovely story. How do you feel when you play?
Honestly, Lily, it is the best feeling in the world. When I am playing, I forget about everything, just me and the music.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. That is exactly how I feel when I am reading.
So everybody, did you hear how naturally that conversation flowed? Let me repeat Alex's most important sentences for you. I play the guitar. I have been playing for about 3 years now. One day I just decided to try, and I completely fell in love with it. Now say your version. I play. I have been doing it for. I play. I have been doing it for. One day I just decided to try, and I completely fell in love with it.
One day I just decided to try, and I completely fell in love with it. And that is our lesson for today. Today you learned 10 natural sentences for describing your hobby. You learned how to name your hobby, how to say how long you have been doing it, how to say why you love it, and how to talk about a second hobby. Now it is your turn. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite hobby and why do you love it? Write your full answer in English right now. Even one sentence is amazing. We are so proud of every single one of you. If this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time for new English lessons every single week. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.